Equilibrium price is determined by demand and supply forces. It is the price at which sellers sell their product and buyers agree to buy the product. Or theoretically speaking, equilibrium price is the price where demand equates supply. But one has to go beyond this point. There may be a possibility of having an increase in the income of the consumer. There may be a possibility of having rise in the price of substitute goods. There may be a possibility of having a fall in the price of a complementary good. There may be a possibility of having a favorable change in the preferences of the consumers. In case any one such factor, few such factors, or all of these factors occur, demand will be affected. And if demand gets affected, obviously, the equilibrium price which was earlier determined will also be affected. So one has to visualize the impact of all these factors on so determined equilibrium price. That is what we shall try to understand in this video. So let us begin. Hello everyone. Welcome to our EcoStudies channel. I am Poonam Vohra, your instructor from Untitled Economics Learning Center, bringing 28 years of dedicated CBSE teaching experience. We are releasing series for our 4 subjects to give you an insight about the offered courses on our website. We are releasing series for our 4 subjects to give you an insight about the offered courses on our website that will enable you to prepare for your CBSE and CUET examination. Before we jump on to the concepts, if you haven't already, then hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our free valuable videos. And if you like the content, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Follow us on our Instagram and Facebook page. Now, let's get started. Let us understand the impact of increase in demand on equilibrium price. This has been understood that equilibrium price is attained when demand equates supply, that is point E, or equilibrium price correspondingly is OP, equilibrium quantity OM. Now there is an increase in demand which may be due to either increase in income of the consumer or increase in the price of substitute good or fall in the price of complementary good or favorable change in tastes and preferences of the consumer. Due to one, few or all of these factors, demand increases and shifts towards its right. So the new demand curve is D dash, D dash. Supply remaining the same. Now what happens? At equilibrium price, because of increase in demand, there is extra demand to the extent of EW. Because of this extra demand, there is competition among the buyers. Due to this competition, so market price starts rising. At rising prices, producers are now willing to produce and sell more. So supply expands towards point F or towards its right. But the upward trend in prices has negative impact on demand, and those unable to pay the increased price either stop buying or buy less. As a result, demand starts contracting from R towards N. The trend of rising supply and falling demand continues caused by the upward trend in price. It continues till the new demand curve equates the original supply curve, that is at F. The new equilibrium price is OT. Overall impact is that price, quantity demanded and supplied rises, and new equilibrium quantity is ON. To learn more, visit our website and enroll in our courses to master the concepts in economics. You will find more than 300 lecture videos aligned with the latest recommendations of CBSE curriculum. And with our current introductory offer, you can enroll in each of the course for just rupees 999. So seize the opportunity and join before the introductory offer expires and score high grades in CBSE examination as well as in CUET entrance examination. Like, share and subscribe to EcoStudies channel. Also drop a comment. See you in the next session for another concept. Thank you.